Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 19th November 2024, and we're diving into the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Remember, you can find links to all the stories we discuss in the episode notes. Eternal AI is making waves with its new framework for Ethereum, integrating artificial intelligence into decentralized applications. This innovation transforms traditional smart contracts into AI-powered contracts that can learn and adapt, enhancing the functionality of dApps. At the core of this system is the AI kernel, which integrates AI inference, models, and GPU resources, enabling developers to create smarter contracts. The architecture includes user space, kernel space, model space, and hardware space, each crucial for processing user prompts and managing resources. The protocol uses a novel consensus algorithm called proof of compute, focusing on meaningful computations. This opens up possibilities for AI-powered applications like autonomous agents and AI-powered wallets. The first implementation will be on the base EVM chain, chosen for its low costs and fast block times, marking a significant shift in how developers build and interact with decentralized applications. Houti Rashidafard shares insights from Devcon in Bangkok, where Memecoins were a hot topic. Discussions ranged from the absurdity of fartcoin to the potential of Memecoins replacing traditional venture capital coins. Some founders are distracted by launching their own Memecoins while seeking VC funding, which Rashidafard views as problematic. When asked about the best non-Bitcoin crypto asset to hold for a decade, many mentioned Dogecoin, with one person humorously predicting it could be the first currency used on Mars. Rashidafard also discusses the struggles of VC coins in the current market, where they decline with Bitcoin pullbacks. Founders are now focusing on creating resilient tokens that foster network effects and community engagement. He highlights Hyperliquid's upcoming Hype token launch, developed without traditional venture funding. Despite some negative sentiments, Devcon was a success, with record participation in the ETH Global Hackathon. Mike.eth, known for hosting on-chain Super Bowl boxes, announced this year's event will be on the Base platform, using on-chain kit and Chainlink technologies. Participants can purchase boxes using any ERC20 token, encouraging various token communities to get involved. This highlights the trend of integrating blockchain technology into traditional events like the Super Bowl, enhancing user interaction and community participation in the crypto space. Institutional investors are increasingly adjusting their portfolios to include Bitcoin ETFs, as shown by the latest 13F filings for Q3 2024. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, IBIT, leads the pack, with nearly 700 institutional owners holding 160.2 million shares, valued at $42 billion. Millennium Management is the largest holder, increasing its shares to 23.5 million, valued at $848 million. Other significant players include Capula and Goldman Sachs, which increased its stake to become the second largest holder. Overall, Bitcoin ETFs have reached $92 billion in assets under management. Analysts suggest that as institutional investors reconsider their anti-crypto stances, there is potential for further structural allocations to the market. Options trading for spot Bitcoin ETFs may begin soon, following recent regulatory approvals. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Stay curious and keep exploring the crypto universe.